Okay guys, motorcycles get stolen every day. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the best way to stop your motorcycle from getting stolen. Okay, so let's talk about how bikes get stolen most of the time. Most of the time, three guys pick up your bike and they throw it in the back of a van or a truck and they get away. If you have an alarm, I mean, that could help a little bit, but most of the time they're going to cut that cord so it doesn't make any noise. There's locks that you can put, like brake locks or wheel locks. That's not going to help you much when you got three guys that pick up your bike and throw it in the back of a truck. So a GPS, they'll pick up the bike, throw it in the back of the truck, and the first thing they look for is the GPS and they throw it out the window. So all these little gadgets, to me, they're not as good as having a 9-foot hardened steel Vulcan chain that you can lock to a post. And I keep this Vulcan chain right in a tank bag like you see here, and it just magnets right to the gas tank. You can just plop it right on there when you go somewhere. You can see my bike here, it's locked up when I go to Walmart, right where they keep the carts, and I usually lock it there. It's not a bother to carry the chain around. It's really not. I get a lot of my friends tell me, "Oh, I'm not hauling that thing. Where are you going to put it?" And you put it right in the tank bag. It's simple. If you want to go riding and go to the racetrack, then leave it at home. And I also lock it to light posts, like at the gym I work out at. They got lights outside, and just lock it right around a pole or a tree. I always find a spot. Like if I'm at the mall, sometimes I'll lock it to sometimes even a stop sign. Anywhere I can find a post sticking up that no one's going to dig up. So this chain is hardened metal. It's not going to be cut with a bolt cutter. A lot of thieves carry bolt cutters around, and if they try to cut it with that, it's just going to bend their bolt cutters. There's really only one way to cut this chain. There's a power tool that you can use. I'm not going to mention what kind of power tool to cut it, but if a thief does try to use that power tool, it's going to make a lot of noise, and it's going to fly sparks everywhere, and it's not something that a thief wants to do in the middle of a parking lot where there's people with cell phones around taking videos and photos, or call the police. So if you'd like to purchase a Vulcan chain, I'll leave a link below in the summary. And I also have puff out or glow kits available. Those are LEDs that go around your wheels. They do take a little bit of work and some tools to get on, but I have a installation video available. You can view everything on my Etsy shop, and I'll leave a link below in the summary as well. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.